What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Hutt Jr. back at you again from Walmart. I had to come up here to get another SD card. My 256 is currently full, and I didn't want to empty it because I want to make an intro out of the footage that I already have. So we're working on that. So here I am at Walmart to get you all a SD card and get some night riding in here at home in Mexico. So here we go. They only had a 128, sadly, so we're gonna have to deal with that. I reckon I can get about maybe 4 hours of footage on it if we're lucky, but I really just needed it for right now anyway, really. So hopefully this looks good still, and there ain't any problems. And hopefully my mic's plugged all the way in, because if it's not, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna go and show my buddy the R1. He has not seen Blondie yet. So here we go. Let's head down to Lexington to show him the R1. I love night rides. Night rides are literally probably my favorite time of day to ride. Like, less traffic, less idiots on the road to worry about. And it just, I don't know, it's smoother that way. You feel a lot more safe. You know what I mean? Or maybe it's just me. It might just be me. I don't know. If you feel the same way about night rides, let me know. I mean, I know some people would rather only ride in the day, and some people won't ride at night at all. So I guess it's all just personal preference. I don't know why I'm waiting at this light, first off, because it's never going to turn with nobody coming. But I love night rides. You know, you don't got to worry as much about traffic. There's less traffic. Yeah, I mean, there are some things that you do have to worry about, like, you know, wild animals running out and you're not seeing them. But I mean, and the fact that you know, it's nighttime, you can't really see as well as you can in the day. I did switch my visor to my clear visor. I do need to get I forget the name of it for these ATV helmets. It's like a little, like, second glass type thing that goes on the inside of your windscreen, or not windscreen, visor. And it pretty much prevents fogging. And I don't have it on my clear. I have it on my tinted one. It's like got like a mirror type tint on it. So I mean, for me, I need one for the clear one, because at nighttime, you know how it is. It's a little cooler, a lot more likely to fog up. Right now, actually, it's doing all right right now. Earlier, whenever I headed to Walmart, it wasn't doing quite as well. I did open up some of my vents on my helmet, so the wind noise might be a little louder than normal. You know, it's right around, I believe, 65, I believe it said, whenever I left the house. And that's warmer than it was when the sun was out. So, like, I don't know. It's Kentucky weather. You gotta live with it. And honestly, I love Kentucky. Where are you all from? I want to know. I want to know where everybody's from. I mean, let me know. I'm from Kentucky originally. Born and raised. But I've always kind of wanted to move out. Not really because Kentucky's, like, not huge or anything. I mean, we got infrastructure, and there's definitely money here. But I got, like, big ambitions. Like, I wanna one day own a mansion in a garage that is like this Jay Leno type stuff. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like I have a lot better chance of getting to that point if I move to, like, maybe Texas or or you know, Florida or somewhere like that, or maybe even like Georgia. Just somewhere where I want to move south too. That's another thing. The weather. I want it to be warm all year round. That way I can ride my bike. Not even just for YouTube, but just personal preference. I don't like riding in the cold. I'm not a cold person. It doesn't help that I'm real skinny. It doesn't have any meat on my bones to help keep me warm. So I mean, that definitely has something to do with it. But it stays cold here during the winter, and it's like we might get a nice day every now and then, but I want it to be nice literally the whole time I'm out riding, like year round. At least similar in temperature, like 75-degree nights, 70-degree nights, year round. That is my goal. I want to live somewhere like that. You know, I want to own my own business too. I want to work for myself. I don't want to work for anyone else. I currently do work for someone else. I'm not gonna speak of the company's name that I work for, just because I mean I don't want them to be mad at me or anything, or I guess being an employee there. You know how some workplaces are, man. They're worried about stuff like this, especially if you're doing stupid stuff every now and then, or you know, maybe they don't support lane splitting, or among other things. You know what I'm saying? So we might try and attempt to get a top speed run in tonight if I can. I don't know. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. But that is a possibility. Right now I know we've just been cruising. So we might just cruise tonight. I'm cool with cruising. I like cruising. I enjoy riding like this too. I mean, it's not super often that I'm just cruising, but I figured might as well just cruise today. But I am starting a new thing called the Daily 180, and the reason being, or at least on the R1 Daily 180, you know the R6 ain't got that in it, baby. But reason being is Bike Life Tay on YouTube. Go check him out. He commented on my last video and said, I see you with the Daily 100 or 180. I'm sorry, Daily 180. And I like it. I think we're going to stick with that. I know Modernosity has the Daily 100 that he does. And I mean 100 miles an hour. Look, I don't even have a hand on right now. Mid-turn doing 105. That's nothing. Anybody can do 100. I mean, even like little 250s and little 300s is doing 100 mile an hour. Come on now. I'm telling him he got to step his game up. He got to hit 180, baby. That's all I'm saying. Oh boy, red line. There we go, there's a Daily 180 for you, baby! Woo! Let's get it. That got me hyped, baby. We're still just gonna cruise though. I was like, oh, damn, girl. Damn, you dirty little mama. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See if we can get her to do it again. Yeah. And just listen to her. Sheesh. I'm actually on the way to go meet up with my buddy. He had a bike wreck last year and got in pretty bad shape. He's not been able to work or anything, and he's not seen the bike yet. So we're gonna go and show him the bike since he has not seen it yet. He's been wanting to see it since I got back, and I just ain't got around to be able to bring it to him and show him what she's made of. He still can't ride. He has a CBR 1000RR, and it is currently out of commission and has been since last year. Where he's not been able to work or anything, it's really put a big damper on things. So this road sucks. I hate this road, man. This thing is awful. Potholes everywhere. It's like I'm playing like friggin' whack-a-mole with a pothole. They got one up through here that used to be awful. I don't know if it's still here or not. I think it's back there. Oh, nope, there it is. So I'm gonna go show him the R1. Let's get it. God damn. Let's get some more flamethrowing shit on for y'all. Oh boy, that's nasty. Right here in the middle of the neighborhood. I am so sorry. I didn't even think about that. That was rude. Let's get this cold start from the C10. There's I want to say it's a 98 Firebird. There's like 30,000 original miles on it. Beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. Nothing wrong with it at all. No paint chips anywhere or nothing, man. And it's a stick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at him with the shaved bumper too. He just got done with a 5.3 swap on this. This thing is absolutely immaculate in person. Immaculate. It's got kind of like a resto mod type deal going on with the headlights and everything. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's this dually. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, turn your roof lights on. Oh yeah, boys. See the little Chevy symbol up there? Beautiful. Interior is wonderful. Got his little tuner over there. Changing colors and everything. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Y'all know how them old cars are. I'll see you up there. We're headed to the pit right now to meet up with Mr. Fast Lane D. Let's get it, baby. And he actually drives it like all the time. Like, not like all the time, not in the rain. I mean, obviously, you're not gonna drive something like that in the rain. But that truck it gets drove, just so y'all know, man. Like, he's not somebody that just buys vehicles and just parks them. Oh man. Oh, look at it. And he also has a Gixxer 750. but he's getting ready to get repainted. Look at him. Oh man, look at that. Boy, clean. She's a little dirty right now. He said he needs to take it and either detail it himself or go and get it detailed. She's a beautiful, beautiful truck though. Good old Krager's by American Racing. Absolutely. You gotta go to the gas station? Me too. Hey, he just dropped his load. He just dropped his load. The gas. What? The tanker just filled up down there. Unless the shell's open that you can. Alright. Yeah. Y'all seen, I was up there earlier. This truck is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Oh man. Woo boy. Love that hood too. Love it. She sounds so good. I hope the GoPro picked that up good. I hope it did. Boy. He got this thing resprayed, I believe, or yeah, I'm pretty sure he got it resprayed, if I'm not mistaken, about a year or two ago. It's absolutely insane, man. It's a beautiful truck. No rust anywhere. No plate, no problem, right? Alright. Or somebody spilt straight gas right here. And that slick. I guess we'll go over here. I'll get gas too if they have 93. Damn, that bitch will be out of service. You're good. Dude. Don't know if I'll be editing that out or not. We'll see, I guess.